Hi everyone, so I received some happy mail today and this is from Denise. If you sent me mail while I was on vacation, I was gone for about 3 weeks. If you sent me mail and it got returned, please reach out to me and let me know, because the post office was supposed to be holding my mail, but apparently they were sending it back to people. So I'm so sorry if that happened to you, but if it got returned, they will ship it back to me free of charge, and I'm just really sorry for the inconvenience. So that's what happened with Denise here. They returned her package to her, then we were able to figure it out and have it sent back to me. So I'm going to show right here. She has some really pretty frozen ribbon right on top. I like how she cut that down into like a little strip. Can definitely save that for some like junk journaling or a scrapbook. I'm gonna see if I could use this with my scrapbook that I want to create for my cruise. Before I opened it up, I wanted to show you this gorgeous ribbon she has right here on top. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I wonder if I can dye this. I'm going to try that. I kind of don't want to mess it up. She does it so nicely, like with her little pretty bow. But we are going to open this. It's cold and rainy today in California. You can tell I'm wearing long sleeves. Normally I don't wear long sleeves. I usually run really hot. So not feeling well, I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get all warm. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, I see Disney. You guys know I'm a huge Disney fanatic. We just did 2-week Disney cruise. Oh my gosh, did you make these? Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, these are perfect when we go on cruises. I actually take the 13 by 13 plastic folders from Hobby Lobby to stick all of our paper inside. And we like doing the drawing classes. So I save all of that. So this would have been perfect to have taken on vacation. I've never even seen this fabric before. I'm so sorry that I sound awful. Just listening to myself annoys myself. So I'm so sorry if I'm annoying you guys with my voice, because I feel like it's so annoying. Oh my gosh. And this is amazing. She must have made this. You guys, I need to learn how to sew. I really do. This is just so pretty and so special. Oh my gosh, I love it. So we have Mickey, we have another Mickey, we have another Mickey. This one actually has like the little fob right here, like a wristlet. And we have a villains one. I love the Disney villains. Like, the Disney villains are my favorite, and then my mom loves all the princesses. So this is so cool. I would have never have thought to make a zipper pouch. Like, how cool is that? I would have never ever thought to make this. I like the little pom-pom too. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I cannot wait to show Sunny and my mom. They're going to absolutely just die and love it. Oh my gosh, look, like a little travel bag. Oh my gosh, I'm just so blown away. I can't believe that these are like handmade. Like, look at that. I love that it's like Polaroids. I remember my dad having a Polaroid camera and always taking pictures of us. I still have some of them. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this, you guys. I love it. Like, I could pack up my toothbrush, all my little items in here, and take it with me. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then there was one more thing over here. Oh, 2 more things. Let's see what's over here. Oh my gosh, she made mini bags. I love it. Like, look at their drippy little lipstick. It's all smeared. This is how I'd wake up like in my 20s after a night of partying with black eyes and my makeup smeared everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with these. I'm going to use this as my coin purse. How cool are these? I love it. Oh, I gotta stick my jewelry in here when we go on vacation. That's what I'm gonna use it for, is like a jewelry little bag. Oh my gosh, I love Maleficent. We have the Evil Queen, and we have Ursula. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with these, you guys. And then there is one more. I hope I got everything. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to fight Sunny for everything. He's gonna want all the Mickey for himself. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so obsessed. You have no idea how much I love these. And look at the like little clear pockets, so I know exactly what is in there. Oh my gosh. I love these so much. Oh, I can stick my tools in here when I travel. That'd be a good idea. And when we go, like I said, we like doing the drawing classes, so they provide a pencil on the drawing ship on the ship, but I cheat and I take my eraser pencil. So I'm gonna actually stick this in this bag because I just have it in a Ziploc right now. Oh, like here's another one of those like little wristlets. I love this. I can actually stick my keys on here. Like here's like a little like pencil pouch. I could put like my scissors in there. I'm going to totally use these as my travel like supplies. I've been wanting to have like a separate little bag and tools for when I travel. So this is absolutely perfect. Thank you so much. I can't believe you took the time to make all of these. These are absolutely amazing. Like I said, I'm so obsessed. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Happy New Year's, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.